Hello guys, welcome to Day 1 series of FL Studio. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify the whole interface or layout of FL Studio. So when you open FL Studio, this is what you see. On top, we have the toolbar panel, browser panel, channel rack, and the playlist. So we start with the toolbar panel. This consists of menu bar, which is important in saving project files, importing and exporting files, changing theme settings or display settings of the app, managing plugins. Then here is the browser panel. Here is where you search for files inside your folders on computer. Like, for example, you have a folder of drum kits and you want to open it. The browser panel does that. Here's the channel rack. This is where you arrange all your melodies before putting them to main playlist. For example, we can arrange a simple drum pattern. So the channel rack helps in arranging music elements. Then, last but not least, we have the playlist panel. Here is where we can arrange all the melodies, drums, chords, to come up with the final song or finished song. Then, lastly, we have the mixer panel, usually the last session during music production. Here's where we add in effects in our song. Level and balance, volume of different elements in the song, mastering, adding reverb, and so many. In my next video, I will break down for you each element and their tools. So if you would like to follow along, hit that subscribe button and follow Norris UG. Thank you. Have a nice day.